The 2015 Volkswagen Golf. Progress takes on a whole new form. Inside this innocent-looking hatchback hides one of 3 available engines. Each one has the ability to get you moving quickly and comfortably with the available XDS cross differential system. From its upscale interior to its German design and engineering, the Golf surrounds you with quality and amenities not typically expected in a hatchback. And that's exactly what makes it a Golf. Add touchscreen navigation, Bluetooth with audio streaming, and a premium sound system, and you'll realize your Golf is smarter than your average hatchback. Laser seam welding gives the Golf a solid feel, while a host of advanced safety features help ensure the Golf provides safety that has your back. With 6 airbags standing guard and intelligent crash response system, you'll feel safe behind the wheel. The 2015 Golf, the hatchback the world loves to drive.